Alright, so today I decided to drive the 79 again. I enjoyed uploading that first video. I just wanted to upload more. Let's see what happens. I'm new to this YouTube thing, so I'm going to try it out. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see. And yeah, I'm going to see where I go around town with this truck. Take shots of places or whatever, and go from there. My 1979 Ford F-150. I bought it back in 2016, and I put a lot of money into this already, so I like this truck. It's grown on me. I recently put on some Mildstar Patonian 8 all-terrain, size 31 10.5 R15, and it's got the 15 by 8, I believe. Very good wheels and tires, I like it. And then over here we got the rears. I bought this truck once because of the color. I like this color, and I've always wanted this truck when I was growing up. The add-on was that toolbox right there. It was on family property, and I just found it and I just had to take it. I recently, about 2 months ago, took out the old tint and put new tint. It's darker now, I think it's 5%. Still see inside, but it's alright, better than the old tint. I should have gone with 32s. What do you guys think? It's on factory height. But for now, I'm happy with those. Better than the ones I had before. Headlight with grills. This grill was originally out of this parts truck that I had, so I just took it out of that one and used it to keep it that factory look. And I've got the sunroof, moonroof, whatever you guys want to call it. It's alright. Alright, then in here, the interior was already done on it. Got the gray and the red. The seat came with the truck, so I'm glad about that. And the steering wheel's toast, I know that. I plan to replace that pretty soon with the parts truck that I have. I kept it pretty clean. It was way dirty when I first purchased it. I like how we have the vents right here. These windows over here, they open and close. Get easy air, unlike the air conditioner rates. But anyway, pop open the hood. This is what took most of my change over here. Alright, it's got the Ford 302, I believe. That is what the engine I had, and I replaced it with another one due to blowing up the other one by accident. So I had to start from scratch. While the engine was out, I just painted all this black, which I do need to wash off again. Any recommendations? What do you guys recommend on how to properly wash this without ruining it? anything electrical. And the battery, well, I have side post battery installed because I didn't like the top post, so I'm just trying out the side post. See how that goes. Brand new belt. I have yet to install a fan shroud. I have it in a press truck in Bloomfield. The town 50 miles away from my house, so I have yet to replace that. And yeah, it's got a brand new radiator. I like the air intake, the carburetor setup. I like it. No complaints yet. I just thought I'd send the video of this, a better video, better lighting, because I'm not sure what happened to the first one. If it was good enough, if this one was too, gave out poor quality. So I decided to just film it around the local area. Where all these trees, where these back roads at. I like it. I'm just recording whatever, like,